I'm going to do a screen recording showing you how to use your Hue camera with Zoom. But you don't have to do any fancy camera switching because of its bendy arm. You can select it as your front camera. So when you're watching class and you want to say something to the teacher, this is your front camera. Hi, teacher. But when you want to raise your hand, either your real hand if you're on camera or your virtual hand, don't worry, I'll give you a Zoom tutorial, and you want to show your teacher your hands, you can take this little Zoom camera and just point it at your hands, and you will have a nice close-up of your knitting. The only thing you want to do is make sure to aim it so that the camera head is facing away from the base, but you're going to be able to see your own hands on screen, and you'll see that it is at real knitter's view, and the right hand is where the right hand should be. If you didn't turn the head and it was just pointing at you, hi teacher, and then you simply aimed it straight down, your hands would be flipped. So all I do when I'm ready to show my hands is turn that camera pointing at my hands. And that's it. I hope you like it. I did the video showing you how I bent the Hue camera, and I did a video showing you the screen settings. So I just want to show you what the camera looked like. So this is me using my Hue document camera as my front camera to attend class. And this is me just simply bending it when I want to show my knitting. La 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 la. But if I wanted to leave it in this position, I could also go over to my video controls and simply click on my front camera if I had a laptop with a front-facing camera like this. So it's up to you. You can either do the fancy camera switch and I can attend class like this, and you're seeing my face and you're seeing me laugh at my lame jokes, or go, oh, I get it, or I don't get it. You can raise your hand, you can virtually raise your hand, and then when you're ready to show your knitting, you can come over here and click on it and switch that way. Or you can kick it old school and just use the fun bendy arm and bend it up when you're ready to use it as a front camera and bend it down when you're ready to use it as an overhead camera. It's up to you. Enjoy.